Hello, all. It's Marilyn Devonish here, the Neuro Success Coach, Rapid Transformation Specialist and Futurist. And I'm here with Kate Sterling, the Entity Remover. Hi, Kate. How are you doing?
Great, Marilyn.
And we've just been talking about the COVID vaccine spiritual detox workshop. So we ran part one a couple of weeks ago, if you're watching this in real time, and part two is coming up in a couple of weeks. And if you aren't watching this in real time, the good news is you can catch the video replay recording. So we've just been kind of having a chat and I'm summarizing what we're going to be doing. So I just want to give you a quick rundown and sneak peek from the Magic Notebook. So here we go. So for part two, and you don't have to have done part one to do part two. It helps, of course, what we've designed them as standalone, depending on where you want to put your focus. So in part two, we're looking at how you can clear yourself, how you can clear your home, and how you can clear willing or help to clear willing family members. We'll talk more about that on the workshop. We're going to give you a list of ingredients in the COVID shots and also look at specific things that you can do to detox from those, which is really important. We'll then give you the opportunity to actually put together a protocol with all of the information that we're sharing with you. Of course, we're not making any healing claims. We're not making any medical claims. We're not going to be kind of curing anything. This is purely for information purposes only and possibly for your entertainment. So we've also got, Kate will take you through a spiritual protection process. There's also going to be an energetic clearing, giving you the things that you can also do to do this for yourself. There'll be a guided process. I'll say a bit more about that in a moment. So let's see, we're going to give you some of the things that have found to have worked with regards to clearing this out of the body. I'm also going to be looking at some of the common frequencies that you can use to clear this as well. There will also be a piece where I'm going to take you through a higher self connection guided process. So you kind of bring in the energy of your higher self, and that works beautifully with what we also did in part one that Kate took you through with the chakras. Kate is also going to do a guided process where you are going to be on the receiving end. So Kate will have a look, see what she sees around all of you attending energetically and clear that, and then teach you how to do that for yourselves as well. And also with the guided process, it's going to be, there'll be pieces in there for protection, for calling in your guides and helpers as well, clearing the particular stages that you'll then talking about the things you'll find when you're looking to do those clearing, and then taking you through the steps to actually do that. So this is going to be part experiential, where you're going to be on the receiving end of those clearing processes. So for example, we'll do a Huna energy clearing as well as the higher self. We'll also do a timeline therapy piece as well. We'll take you through that. It's going to be part informational, where you get the information about the frequencies, about the vitamins and minerals, about the steps and the clearing protocols. And then there's going to be a part of this which is practical, where you are going to be saying, right, based on all of this information, start putting together personalized protocols and things that you can do, so that by the end of it, you go away with your checklist. You go away having received a clearing, and Kate is also going to do a tune in for the people that are there to see what's going on with you energetically and what's around you. And we were just kind of talking about, let's see, taking a look at the group, telling us what you see energetically. And also, when it talked about clearing the home, my question was, well, clearing the home of what? So Kate was saying there are two types of beings that come in with this. The nanobots, that's what I was talking about, that I first experienced in 2021. And then there's also the COVID being, so doing the clearings for both of those things. So we've got a lot that is going to be included. It's going to be another fantastic, incredible, wonderful day. And we really look forward to working with you. So, Kate, if there's anything that I've missed out that you want to add in closing, feel free.
You've
And I'm
gotten everything. Yep. We look forward
perfect.
to seeing everybody. Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, thank you all. We really look forward to working with you. As I said, you can join us live at the end of this month. But outside of that, if you've missed the live, then you can do the replay recording. And as you already know, if you've worked with me over the last 25 years, that the energy clearings carry even in the recording, years and decades after they've been recorded. Ask anyone who's done those Huna recordings, they will tell you exactly the same thing. You can go to my main website, transformationstm.com. That's TRANCE, F for Freddie, FORMATIONS, so transformationstm.com. Click on the red What's New button, a panel will slide out, and you'll see the information about how to book on this particular workshop. And katesterling.com. Kate, are you going to have a link to it on your website as well?
Yes, I will.
Perfect. So go to katesterling.com as well, and you'll find that information. But we very much look forward to working with you. This is really unique. I haven't seen anything like this on the market before, where you're actually energetically clearing this stuff. And this time round, we're bringing in those frequency clearings as well, which is a big part of what I did with the Huna and the energy clearing and the frequencies to move and clear this out of the system. So it's going to be a fantastic, incredible day. And we look forward to working with you. So catch you all later. And thanks for watching. And feel free to share this as well if you know someone who could benefit. And thank you, Kate. I look forward to working with you again.
You too, Marilyn. Thank you.
See you all later. Bye.